Hi, welcome to Mariam's Art Studio. Today we will be making a very pretty girl in pen and watercolor and I hope you like it. We will make a circle. So just make, can you see the circle? Just make, in case you're having a problem with the circle, so towards the top, can you see there's not much space left? So towards the top we are going to be making the circle, okay? Here. So you have so much of space left at the bottom and you will make a circle. In case you're having problem making the circle, just get a dhakkan and just trace the outline, okay? So that should work with you. Quickly draw the circle. Yeah, Mani, you just watch. Anybody, it's always better that you, if you're quick with the drawing, you can draw along with me, or you can just watch and see how I'm doing it, and then come back in your own time and do it, all right? It works better that ways, especially if you're a beginner, all right? So, yeah, so here it is. Now what we are going to be doing is we've drawn a circle, okay? We will be making a circle again in this. Can you see the circle? So we're going to be doing the circle and then can you see the oval shape that I've given here? Okay, it is not, the oval shape is not straight. She's going to be turned this side, okay? So once you've got this turned this side, and I just want to see the comments. Yes, okay, I'll wait. Manya, so done with the circle. All right, so I've made the inner circle here, okay, and I've made this. So basically the face ka center is going to be here, okay? Main thing is you should always remember this is going to be the face center. I will erase everything once we are done with the drawing. So this is the face center, okay? And now what you do is, this is the circle, right? This is the main circle, head circle. Usko aap just draw it half. Cut it in half. Okay? So over here is where one eye will be. This is one eye. The second eye will be here. So I'm drawing dark now because we will be doing this with the pen. So this is the second eye. I'm actually quite inspired to make portraits is because my portrait classes are going on. So, you know, I'm thinking in terms of portraits itself. And then another thing is, you know, acha khair, forget that. So you aapne ye circle, ye sar wale circle ko half kiya. Your eyebrow will be touching both the eyebrows will be touching the adha circle, okay? And this is where the nose is going to be. In fact, now it's slightly upturned, so it's going to be a little upturned. So actually portrait drawing is a complete different ball game altogether. You need proper classes for that. So, but if you have even slight idea about how to draw portrait, you'll be able to draw along with me, okay? So whenever you're making a 3/4, आपने ये इधर बनाया और this side of the face is going to get less. This is your center line, right? This side, the eye will become smaller, this eye will be bigger. The nose, nostril, you can see this nostril, you'll not be able to see this nostril. Your mouth, this side of the mouth will become smaller and this side will be bigger, okay? So that's how it works. So here you are. So what I'm going to be doing now is just generally marking the features. Okay, so her lips are going to be here. Her chin is going to be here. Her eyes, now iske niche you will be drawing a semicircle that goes like this. So both the eyes will be on this semicircle, okay? I'm sorry, I did not see the messages. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Slow. Okay, I am going a little slow. Okay, so this is what you have, the circle. You draw the center line. This line will be the center of the nose, center of the eyes, and center of the mouth, center of the chin. And you will draw one eye here, a smaller eye here, and this eye will be bigger on this line. So both the eyes will be on this line. Okay, and the same line we will, जितना आपने इधर लाइन इधर किया है उतना ही आप इधर भी करिए. तो your ears will be here. So you have this much of gap. This is the circle. This is the head circle. Okay, this is the head circle. So your ears will be here. And your jawline will start from here. So basically you've got the face correct. Now I am going to be taking, so if you abhi don't worry about the features being, just make this much. Okay, so this girl is going to be having her neck up like this, and she comes down like this. So जी जो आपका ये this line goes up, you know, if you see in your own thing it goes up. And this girl has got her shoulder turned up like this. Okay, so we just line के पीछे हम लोग we will get it आगे. Okay, so we are making, so she's got basically her shoulders hunched over. Okay, so base main is आपने ये body बना दी, ठीक है? And she's going to have nice and curly hair. She's going to have nice and curly hair. We'll get to the hair later. Now I'm taking my number 8, the trusted number 8, okay? And I am doing the detail. So everybody, you draw along with me with the pencil. In case you are comfortable with drawing with the pen straight away, you go ahead. In case you want to see and have the option of erasing it in case you make a mistake, whatever I'm doing with the pen, do it with a pencil, okay? So that will help you. And let's see. Repeat. Sanskriti, what do you want me to repeat, beta? So we did the circle. This is the 3/4 face that we are making. We did the circle. We made the first circle. Then uske beech में we made the second circle and made the oval. उसका हमने फेस का सेंटर लाइन हमने ऐसे बनाया. ओके, एंड ऐसे करके हमने फेस का सेंटर लाइन बनाया. फिर हमने ये छोटे वाले सर्कल को हाफ किया, उस पर हमने आईब्रोज बनाई. फिर उसके नीचे ये जो ये वाला सर्कल जहाँ ख़त्म होता है, इट्स नाउ यू विल, संस्कृति, यू विल हैव टू कम बैक एंड वॉच द वीडियो अगैन because this whole procedure is I've gone through it. फिर वो it will get too delayed if I नाक कहाँ बनानी है. Main thing is you just remember this is the center line. Excuse me. This is the center line of the face, okay? And this exactly same line you draw here, where you draw the eyebrow, the ears. So now, what we are going to be doing is we are going to add detail to the face, okay? I'll start with this side of the eye, Okay. So I'm just darkening the eyebrows, adding a few lines here. Okay, and she is looking at you straight. Okay, so this is where you are going to be seeing. इतना eyes बनाओ पहले, ठीक है? And she's got thick eyebrows, not very thin. Okay. So then I think I can get the camera down a little bit in case you all want to see the and zoom and focus slightly. Yeah. So then it will be better for you all to see it better. Okay. Okay. So here we are. We're drawing the next eyebrow. Okay. So we are making a thick eyebrow here again. Color it in. And ये जो हमने eyes बनाई हैं, I am not going to be making a lot of eyelashes. Okay. So once that is done, we will add the shading later. Okay, right now we're just getting the features correct. So once this is done, we come to the nose. Okay, she's got, this is, the nose is done. Okay, and now we come to the lips. So you've already placed where the lip is. We're just giving the lips some little definition. She's got a mouth that is slightly open. It's a pout, you know, like the models have. Okay, and we will be making the chin. So the chin is this dips in. So you have to realize that in this little oval that we made, this dips in. Then you have the cheek. Then the chin comes out slightly. Okay, it doesn't go straight inside. There's a slight round where the round of the chin is. That's where it comes out slightly. Then we will make a little bit of the ear. So ear again is slightly more complicated than people. You have to observe the ear, practice the ear a little bit. Rest of the ear is going to be covered. Okay. Okay, let me look at the messages again, the comments. Okay, any more comments? Done with the circle. Okay, so any more? Y'all want to ask me something? I don't know if I'm lagging behind in the comments or no. So I'll wait till you all finish this much, okay? So now that I've done this much, I am going to be doing the neck. So we do the neck here. All that we made with the line, with the pencil, I'm just repeating it, okay? Just making it with a dark line. So she'll have, you have this little gadha over there where the cheekbone is, and this shoulder is a little too low. Her shoulder will be here. Okay. So what we are going to be doing is, now we'll be adding lines, okay? So we're going to be adding lines on the face. This is where the shadow falls, okay? So we're going to be taking a thinner pen. This is number 8. I will be taking a number 5 for a slightly thin lines. Okay, and the lips will be covered. Then you'll have a little bit of shading here. You'll have a bit of shading here. This entire side eye will be shaded, okay? And yeah, so here where I feel the shadow will fall, so I'm just going to be marking all the places where I feel where the shadow will be falling, okay, and filling that up with lines. Okay, so we've got this. Here we will be adding further lines. And be very patient, don't rush. So the shadow will fall. The shadow will be falling here as well, because the light is somewhat from the front. Okay, so that is very important, that you know the source of light. So this is basically just a stylized, this is kind of like an illustration. So this is basically a stylized version of doing portraits. This is not a realistic version, okay? So you have to realize that this is just playing with light and shadow and lines and adding lines and texture, and now I'll adding watercolor. So this is basically something like that. So we're going to be adding here very close, because this side is going to be darker, and this lines here, I'll take it like this. Okay, so we can add one more shadow here. So you have a few lines here as well. Hi Shagufta, good to see you. So I'll wait. Okay, now you all just finish this much. I'll wait for you all, and then we will be working with, I'm just kind of figuring it out where all the lines will go. So in the meantime, you all finish this, okay? So I want this entire side of her face to be okay. So you have basically a highlight here, and you're working on where you think the highlight will be. So you have a highlight here, you have a highlight here, you have a highlight here, here, okay? And the rest, you can just kind of fill it up with lines. So this is basically, it takes a little getting used to. And don't worry if you don't understand the whole concept of it. Have fun just drawing with me. I mean, it's a new way of drawing portraits. So the whole purpose of having these live sessions is that you will kind of learn learn something. Okay, I'll zoom out now. I've got a request to zoom out. So let me see if I'm getting the full picture. So now you've got the full picture. So what we are going to be doing is, I'll just fill in the lines here, and I want this to be darker because this is like the shoulder coming forward. Okay, so we will be taking this down later once you've got the masking tape off. So we will take this down. Just finishing the lines, and we'll remove that here. Now what we're going to be doing is, I have a brush pen here. Okay, this is a brush pen, and we will be so let me see if you all can if I have any more messages and I've missed out any more messages. Okay, so what we are going to be doing now is adding the hair. Okay, so she is going to be having very, very curly hair. Okay, so her hair starts from here and goes like this. Okay, so I'm going to be coloring this whole thing black. Okay, so this whole thing will be colored black. Let me just make the outline first. So you have her hair going up. It's a mass of curls, and we'll get that curls outside here as well. Okay, so we are going to be coloring this whole thing black. And I'll add a few hair here as well. So if you have a black sketch pen, right now don't do it because you'll be giving a wash. This is a waterproof thing, so it'll still work. But a sketch pen say ganda ho jayega. So try and avoid using the sketch pen right now. Just make the drawing of where the hair is going to be. I'm completing it because I want you all to see how it will look. Okay. So just finish coloring it. Good. If you've Zahra, if you've got the nice good brush pens, this is a nice way to inaugurate it, right? So I hope it's zoomed off and out enough and everybody can see what's happening. So I'm just going to be coloring this, and I'll quickly dry it out. Then we will work on adding the watercolor touch. So basically what this does is, this is a very graphic, so I'm a graphic designer, okay, other than the illustrations that I do. So you are taught these graphic arts to work with, how to, kind of work with the black and white, how to balance out the black and white and gray and the colors. That's all part of what you're taught in college, okay. So it's a good exercise that all kids must go through to develop that sense. You a lot of times you feel that you don't learn a lot in college, but आदमी जब बाद में सोचता है ना, तो you do. There are so many exercises जो बहुत कुछ आपको सिखाती हैं in these art colleges, जिसकी आप लोग उस वक्त वैल्यू नहीं करते हो. I mean for a long time even I, हम क्या सिखाया, कुछ भी नहीं सिखाया, सब मैंने खुद सीखा. But then you realize कि a lot of things come. So just finish this quickly. So I'm just waiting for people to ask me any questions, or everybody is busy drawing. Okay. So what we've done this, we've colored it black. Now what we're going to be doing is adding a lot of curls here. Okay. That is what we will be doing. So I will just add and इसमें ना, इसमें फिर आपका brush pen का काम बहुत आता है, because you realize the thick and thin effects of the brush pen, जो कि आपका पेन से नहीं आता, ओके. जो आपका माइक्रो टिप जिससे हमने यहाँ पे डिटेलिंग की है, दिस अफेक्ट डजंट कम विद द ब्रश, विद द माइक्रो टिप पेन. दिस कम्स विद जस्ट द ब्लैक पेन और द ब्रश पेन दैट यू हैव. So okay, a lot of people, I hope लोग बना रहे हैं हमारे साथ. So this is something that is a new thing to learn. Vanya, don't worry, even if you think it is looking a little difficult, it is आप make it on your own later. Maybe अभी बनाने में थोड़ा सा तुमको मुश्किल लग रहा है, but once you come to the recording, आप इस रिकॉर्डिंग में फिर से आइएगा, ओके, एंड देन यू ट्राई एंड सी इफ यू कैन फॉलो, एंड यू पॉज एंड देन यू डू इट. तो आपको it's not that difficult. आपको just make any model that you feel, ज़रूरी नहीं कि यही हो. Okay, so we've got this, and now I want to dry it out, because जब मैं कलर लगाऊंगी then it'll फैलेगा. तो अभी I dry it out quickly. Okay, so it's dried out. So now what we are going to be doing is we will, अब इसमें हम कलर्स कौन से लेंगे, हम ये सारे कलर्स लेंगे, ठीक है. तो हमने क्या लेना है, हमें ये जो सर्कल है इसमें हम रेड्स एंड येलोज लेंगे, रेड्स एंड येलोज. ओके, वील ब्लेंड इट. उसके बाद फिर जो वो सुखा के, देन वी विल गिव अ डार्किश बैकग्राउंड आउटसाइड, अ ब्लूइश बैकग्राउंड आउटसाइड. सो वील यूज ब्लूज, ओके. And so I just hope it doesn't blend, it doesn't smudge. So I want to take lemon yellow also. So here what I'm doing is just adding, and this is all wet abhi, so I will just isko bhi bas phela ke and then just add a little bit of red here and there, just dab color a little bit. You can just dab on the color because it's still wet. So you've got this, and then I dry it. Okay, so I'm going to be ab isko sukhana hai, and then we will add the background here. Okay. So abhi kya hai, there's too much water. Let me just soak up the water with a dry brush. because फिर सूखेगा नहीं. ओके, अब हम सुखाते हैं ज़रा. Okay, so now what we do is, now we take the lighter blue first. पहले हम पानी डालते हैं, हम पानी डालना भूल गए थे. So I am taking the lighter blue first and adding in the corners. Okay, and इसी से ही हम पूरा गीला कर रहे हैं. हम एज ना इसमें उल्टा करेंगे because I want the yellow to stand out. Okay, so we're using both the warm colors and the cool colors. So अब इतना मैंने कलर लिया ना, अब हम गीला ब्रश लेके I'm just blending it. गीला brush and blending it. Okay, and adding more lighter blue this side. So you have to be very steady. हाथ ना थोड़ा सा हाथ अपना steady रखना, because यहाँ पे हमने कोई वो नहीं बनाया है that will जो फैलने नहीं देगा. So अगर फैलना होगा तो वो फिर, so I'm just adding a few drops here and there. Okay, just letting it blend. इसमें हम इस सर्कल के अराउंड हम थोड़ा सा इसको डार्क कर रहे हैं, सो दैट इस सर्कल निकल के आए. ओके, and I'm just wetting this again here, and then adding just for it to blend and flow. It'll just pixelate, okay? एजेस में भी कर रहे हैं. एजेस में इसलिए करते हैं तो थोड़ा सा कलर शार्प आता है, एज शार्प आता है. सो ये हो गया. एंड देन वी विल वेट फॉर इट टू ड्राई. मैं जल्दी से ड्रायर से सुखाती हूँ. And don't worry if you can't see it. I mean, if you can't. Thank you so much. याशी, ये आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन इट बिकॉज अच्छा खासा हो गया है, बट ये सेव हो जाएगा. दिस विल बी देयर एज माई रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो ऑन फेसबुक. तो आप फिर वापस आ जाना इसको देखने के लिए. ओके मरियम, ज़हरा, योर ब्रशेज आर नॉट वाटरप्रूफ. आई विल गेट टू यू, 1 second. सो इफ़ इट्स नॉट वाटरप्रूफ तो फिर आप क्या करो, पेन से ही कर दो उसकी आउटलाइन, है ना. उसके ज़हरा, यू कैन मेक इट विद द पेन बिकॉज पेन आपका वाटरप्रूफ होगा इन केस यू हैव अ वाटरप्रूफ पेन. या फिर आप पेंट करना, paint with the paint as in your watercolor paint. So I am just taking it out so that you all see it कि कैसा लग रहा है. इसको हम पूरा कंप्लीट कर देते हैं पहले, ओके. एंड यहाँ का भी हम निकालेंगे बिकॉज आई वांट कि इधर वाले में भी कलर्स आए. नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज कि जो मैं मॉडल बना रही थी उसका बॉटम हाफ था नहीं यहाँ पे. सो आई एम जस्ट काइंड ऑफ इम्प्रोवाइजिंग बिकॉज 1 second. ओके, सो ये आधा निकला. राइट, ओके. सो द मास्किंग टेप में नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग, इसका द हेयर okay, so it will be actually like this and she will have her arm, ऐसे करके उसका आर्म होगा, है ना. आई थिंक सो बिकॉज वो फोटोग्राफ में तो नहीं था, बट वी विल इम्प्रोवाइज एंड दिस ब्लैक कलर विल गो ऑल द वे हियर. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल टेक समथिंग मोर सिंपलर. ओके, we will do something that is slightly more simpler, same concept or maybe something else. तो हम अगला वाला क्लास तो वैसे भी हम बच्चों का ले रहे हैं. कल का इंस्टाग्राम इज़ बच्चों का, है ना. तो we will be doing doodling, maybe doodling a fairy, what do you call it, some movie character, some superhero character. I still don't know what we'll be doing, but बच्चों का करेंगे. So अगर बड़ी लड़कियां जो यहाँ पे हैं like Zehra and everybody, you know, you can you can just drop in, maybe learn, because see all आप लोगों को ना जो भी interested है drawing में, हर तरह की drawing में आपको आना चाहिए. So जो मैं tutorials बताती हूँ, that is very important for normal drawing also. So it doesn't matter if I'm teaching younger kids, you must drop in so that आपको पता रहे कि कैसे बनाना है, सारे सारे characters कैसे होने चाहिए. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing, the magic will happen, and we will just remove this. Hopefully the edge is clear. Right, and it goes. Oh shucks, oh shucks, oh shucks. See, I got too excited. So what we are going to be doing from this side, so this happens, and this is actually a very old masking tape. I should get rid of this masking tape. So right, so I'll stick it, still manage to salvage it, still manage to save it. So I will now look at you all, get my camera back, and see what you all are saying. Thank you, Mandy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I will. This is something that I made today, everyone, and we did line drawing. I worked with a micro tip pen here. I did brush pen here, and this is all watercolor. Okay, so this is all watercolor and masking tape edging, where so this is how it is. In case you all have further questions in terms of supplies, everything is available on Amazon. I'll just have to stick it. And in case you do not have these pens, so Micron pen, so I'll just tell you, in case you're fond of drawing, this is very important for doodling. So it's a Micron, Sakura Micron pen, various numbers. I have like 3, 5, 8, so you can get a whole set. Oops. And otherwise, and then watercolor, I worked with this, the Sakura, I seem to be the brand ambassador of Sakura, but yeah, so Koi watercolors. And we used a brush pen, a normal brush pen with a nice thick and thin nib. Okay, that's what I did the hair with. So yeah, so Zahra, we can do that, but for that I think I will take a class, watercolor portraits class, and you can join that, because abhi to you've joined my portrait drawing class, so let's get that over with. Then maybe uska subsequent we will do a watercolor portrait class. So I think that itself will be a 5-day session. So you can join me for, because ye आधे घंटे और 45 minutes वाले lessons नहीं हैं. So this is just basically these half an hour live at 5 is basically to inspire you, tell you the stuff that I use, and make you paint along with me, get that love and passion for art in you. And then whatever questions you have, you shoot me the questions, I'll answer. But this is how I work. So this is basically a glimpse at what I work. I'll try and make it as simple as possible for you all every time. But there are some times where probably it gets a little too difficult, or it gets a little too technical for you all. But then you have to realize I have a number of years of coloring and painting behind me. So वो फ़र्क तो होता है, रियाज मैंने बहुत किया है. आप लोग भी रियाज करेंगे तो आप लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? So this is what we did.